Hi,
How are you today?
I'm doing great. How are you?
Yeah, I'm good too, thanks. So I'm Rebecca. What's your name?
My name is Mohammed. I'm from
Oh,
New Delhi, India.
oh, amazing.
Yes,
Okay. What's the time in India at the
it's
moment?
3:25 p.m.
Oh, okay. So have you just had lunch and
Yes,
everything?
yeah.
Okay. And so what brings you to Cambly? Why are you studying
I
English?
want to improve English. I want to speak English. I want to talk to the people with different nationalities and different accents. And I love US and UK, Australia. These are the country I love, and I love all the
Oh.
people of UK and US.
So have you been to like an English speaking country?
No, not at all.
Oh, okay. So
Yes.
where's this like love for the UK, the US
I
comes
watch
from?
movies and web series.
Oh, I see.
Yes.
What kind of series do you like?
Game of Thrones, House of Dragon,
Oh,
Money
okay.
Heist, Vikings. Those are the king's times of the web series I like.
Yeah, oh, cool.
Yes.
I've not seen any of them, so I'm not so sure.
Okay.
But um,
Where are you
so
from, Rebecca?
I'm from England.
England. Okay. I
Yeah.
watched the Vikings. Vikings
Oh, okay.
they used to invade UK many times like England.
Yeah, oh gosh. Yeah, I
Yeah.
don't really know about it. I bet there's some nice scenery in them kind of
Yes. Yeah.
shows. And so what do you do?
I'm a businessman. I have a digital marketing agency. I am a master in computer science and I'm a
Oh
salesperson. It's been
wow.
10 years. I have been working for the US.
Oh, okay. Yeah, because I feel like you've got an American accent.
Thank you.
So
Yes, that's what I told you. I love Americans, you know. I love US people.
Yeah. So do you get to interact with a lot of Americans at
Yes.
work?
Yep. I
And
talk to
how is
them, especially I deal with the businesses like I'm a software engineer, you can say, but I'm not involved in, making or creating codes or doing something special. I'm just a salesman. I, sell my package of website development or SEO services. These are the, things I sell it, and I work
yeah.
for the US. It's been 5 years. I established my own business, and 5 years I worked as a job person in different companies. So I established
Okay.
and I've been working for my own company. Right now, my business is a little bit down, and this is why I thought I should join Cambly so I could also improve my English and work on my accent and pronunciation. Because once I leave,
Yeah.
practicing and speaking, I feel a low confidence in me, and my accent goes down, and I feel demotivated.
So, yeah, tell me a bit about yourself. So you obviously love America, but like, do you have any hobbies or interests?
My hobbies are just watch movies in free time. As today,
Okay.
I was supposed to watch on Amazon Prime. There is a web series, The Lord of the Ring, and it's a web
Oh,
series,
okay,
The Ring
yeah.
of Power. So I was supposed to watch, and before watching, I thought I should give a call on Cambly. So here I am.
Oh, so you'll dive into that after.
Yes.
Oh, cool. I feel like we've got the complete opposite taste in TV shows and movies.
Yeah. So what do you do, Rebecca? What's your profession?
So I quit my job last month.
Uh huh.
So I'm just like looking for something at the moment.
Oh.
I was in supply chain, but
Mm-hmm.
I'm trying to apply for some things in hospitality at the moment.
Okay.
Yeah.
I talked so many tutors. It's been 1 month for me on Cambly, and what I felt that people, the tutors, are giving lots of time, especially on Cambly, because this is a kind of a spare time of opportunity to make some kind of money by staying at home, and this is a great platform. So you have to also stick with Cambly, talk with the different national people. And what I mean to say, you can make money on Cambly by spending lots of time on Cambly.
Yeah, I think that's how it works because you're kind of paid per minute you talk or like how
Yeah,
long you're in a call. So
that's right. Yes.
yeah, exactly. But yeah, I hope that Cambly won't be like my job or like forever.
Yes.
It's more, yeah, just like to meet people, improve like my dialogues
Yeah,
and
whenever you want, you can join Cambly. It's very convenient, as per your time, and
yeah,
you can walk. The best part is you can walk from any other places. You can travel. While
yeah.
traveling, you can also talk with the people. Second thing is the most important thing is you don't have to learn English because English is your first language, right? And like we people, especially Asian people like India, Pakistan, and Indonesia, China, Japanese people, they want to speak English. It's a great market. Cambly is the best platform. So this is my personal suggestion to you. Stick with the Cambly. Give as much as time you have on Cambly because I have learned that they pay good money to the tutors. And this is.
And so I'm in the UK, so I'm paid in dollars. So
Mhm.
the minimum wage in the UK is higher than what it is on Cambly. So
Yes.
I'm not really doing it for the money
Mhm.
because like if I just go and work in the shop down the road, it's a lot more like money. It's more
Yes.
like to practice, like I
Yes.
can use some of my materials.
What are your
Yeah,
hobbies?
I yeah, that's a good question. I just like traveling.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I'm not married or anything.
Okay.
I recently just moved in with my mum because yeah, like there's really like the COVID pandemic
Yes.
and everything's like
Mm-hmm.
really expensive. So yeah, just like chilling, going to Paris, going to Amsterdam.
Have you ever been to India or any other
No,
country?
me and my sister were meant to go, but then the pandemic happened.
Oh,
So hopefully in the future we can try again.
okay.
But
When you come to India, don't forget Delhi. Delhi is a good tourist place,
oh
historical
yeah,
places, and you're gonna find the Mughal Empire, like Taj Mahal,
yeah,
and many other places. Red Fort, Taj Mahal, India Gate. These are the historical places which was built 1,000 years ago. So
yeah.
this is a good
I
place.
feel like Delhi's like everyone's go-to. It looks so like busy and like it's hustling and bustling.
Yes, Delhi is the capital of India.
Yeah,
Yes,
exactly.
I think in my neighbor someone is fighting. Can you hear the?
Yeah, what is going
Yes,
on?
yes, yes. Someone is fighting here. It's common. People get fighting and
Oh my
abusing each
god.
other. Yes.
Do you get into many fights?
No, I'm a just simple man. I don't like fighting.
Oh, okay.
I like
Oh.
fighting in action movies, not not in reality. Yes.
Yeah, you just watch it.
Yes.
Will you go in after this class like fight, fight, fight?
Trust me, this is
um,
a wonderful class I ever had on Cambly.
oh really?
Yeah, you're
What's
making me
that?
you're making me laugh a lot. That's why.
Oh.
Yes.
And have you ever been outside of India?
No, ma'am. I never have been to any other places except India because you know I was always busy in my business, establishing business and
Yeah.
working for my own company because having own company it requires sacrifices of time,
Yeah.
full dedication, commitment, and being honest to your business, maintaining everything. I'm all alone, so I have lots of tension, responsibilities which I have to accomplish. Second, it was pandemic situation. I had to wait for 2 years. It was lockdown. Everything was locked down.
Yeah.
I never planned to go any other places except India. But yes, maybe in future I may plan.
Yeah, and I guess India's so big, you've got so many options, like you can literally, it's very vast, isn't
Yes.
it?
Yeah. India has almost 27 states,
Yeah,
and
exactly.
And in India, especially, more than 500 languages are spoken.
Yeah,
Different
I was just
languages.
discussing this with another student. I think it's so incredible.
Right. Second, in every 500 kilometers, in India we say kilometers, in miles maybe 300 or 400 miles.
Thank
Yes.
you.
So in every 4 or 500 miles, you're gonna find different people with different culture, with different food and choices, different, a kind of a ritual, different clothing, different languages, different celebrations they celebrate, different festivals. So all live together. And this is reality. In every
Yeah.
4 or 500 miles, you're gonna see different languages, different people with different choices and food and different tradition, culture, and all that. So India is a vast country to visit, and this is especially good for the tourist people.
And so do you speak like a few languages or just like your mother tongue?
Yeah, our mother tongue is Hindi language.
Oh, okay.
Hindi language means this is our national language, we can say. English language is our second language, and we have to give lots of time to learn English languages.
Oh,
Okay.
okay.
In that means, like, let's say I say how are you in English. We say kya hal hai in Hindi.
Oh, okay.
Say kya hal hai.
Ke hao he.
Yes. We say how are you.
Oh, that's really nice.
Yes. We say everything is fine, everything is all right. And Hindi we say सब कुछ ठीक है.
Sab kuch theek hai.
Yes, everything is all
Ah.
right. Yes.
Yeah. I think we're about to run out of
Yeah.
time.
Yeah.
It was really lovely to meet you today.
Thank you so much.
Yeah,
I just
take
need your
care.
feedback.
Oh
How
yeah.
I spoke. Yes.
Should I send you a message? We've got
Yeah,
5
of course.
seconds.
Yeah. Thank you so much,
Okay,
Rebecca.
thank you.
You have a
See
good
you.
one.
Goodbye.
Bye.
You too.